Hi children, in today's lesson what we are going to do is learning to shorten the word by using an apostrophe. Okay, now the word is can be shortened by an apostrophe. Okay, so when we shorten the word, the one letter only will be there using an apostrophe. So I hope you're going to enjoy this exercise where we use apostrophe to shorten the word is in all sentences. Let's look at our first sentence, then you see for yourself. This is only in writing. When we read, it doesn't sound. But when you write, you shorten it by putting an apostrophe, okay, before the letter S. Okay, let's look at our first picture. Then you'll understand what I'm trying to say. Look, this is my mother. Read the sentence for me. This is my mother. That's how we read it. Now, this word is, we use an apostrophe. That means we don't write I. Take away I. In the place of I, we put apostrophe, then we put S. But we read it as, this is my mother, or this my mother. Remember, only in the writing, but reading sounds same. This is my mother. Yes? Now let's read, this is my mother. In this exercise, we are using an apostrophe to take away a I and put an apostrophe and put the S here. This, my mother. You understood now? Shortening is by putting an apostrophe. In the writing, in your book when you write, you'll put an apostrophe and then you put S to show this is my mother. Okay, let's look at our next picture, then you will understand better. Look. In the next picture, you look and see for yourself. Yeah. This is my father. Read. This is my father. Now the word is, we put apostrophe, put S there. This is my father. This, my father. Yes? Understood? Good. So in the writing, reading will be, this my father, or this my father. Good. Let's go on to our next sentence. Here you have, let's read, this is my brother. This is my brother. We are using apostrophe to shorten S. This, apostrophe S. This is my brother. This, my brother. This, my brother. Shortened it by putting apostrophe. No I, but only S. Good. Let's go on to the next sentence, children. Here we have grandfather. This is my grandfather. This is my grandfather. And we are shortening by putting an apostrophe for the I and then put S. This, my grandfather. This is my grandfather. We can read it, but when you're writing, be careful. Put an apostrophe instead of I. This is my grandfather. Are you enjoying? Yes, good. Let's take the next sentence. This is my grandmother. This is my grandmother. We are shortening by putting apostrophe, shortening this is, the word is. This is my grandmother. Apostrophe instead of I. This is my grandmother. Good. Let's take the next sentence and shorten the is by putting an apostrophe. This is my village. Look at the beautiful village. This is my village. We are shortening is by putting an apostrophe. This, my village. This is my village. Good. Let's go on to our next picture. This is my teacher. This is my teacher. We are shortening this S by putting an apostrophe and S here. This is my teacher. This, my teacher. This, my teacher. Remember, only in the writing, we put the apostrophe and S. We delete I. It's only in the writing part of it. Good. Let's go on to our next picture. This is my house. This is my house. Let's put the apostrophe for S. This, my house. When you put the apostrophe, this is become this, my house. Remember, in the writing, you put the apostrophe after this. Good. So we read it as this, my house. This is my house. We read it. When you write apostrophe, you read it as this, my house. Let's go on to our next picture. Here we are, a beautiful library. Read the sentence with me. This is a library. We are shortening this is by putting an apostrophe. So we have this and we have put apostrophe here. This, a library. This is a library. This, a library. Okay? Good. Next, let's go on to our next picture. Here we are. A pet store is here. Read the sentence. This is a pet store. This is a pet store. We are shortening is by putting an apostrophe after this. And you have S here. This. A pet store. This. A pet store. This is a pet store. After we put the apostrophe, we read it as this, a pet store. Remember, it's in the writing that we should be careful after putting this apostrophe, then S. This, a pet store. Good. Let's look at our next picture and our next sentence. This is a beetle, a huge black beetle, a very dangerous beetle that kills trees. This is a beetle. We are going to shorten is by putting an apostrophe. So this is a beetle. This is becomes this. This is a beetle. This a beetle. Okay? Good. Let's go on to our next picture. This is a cauliflower. You like cauliflower? Biggest flower. Yeah, you can eat this flower. This is a cauliflower. S we are changing by putting an apostrophe. This apostrophe S. This a cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. This a cauliflower. Apostrophe S. This a cauliflower. Good. Let's look at our next picture. And change is, shorten is by putting an apostrophe. This is a hibiscus. Lovely, beautiful hibiscus flower, isn't it? This is a hibiscus. And here we shorten this by putting apostrophe. This, a hibiscus. This, a hibiscus. This is a hibiscus. When we shorten, we read it as this, a hibiscus. Let's look at our next sentence. This is a kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. This bird always sits by the waterways, wherever there is water, ponds and lakes and rivers, to get a fish for himself. This is a kingfisher. Is, we are shortening by putting an apostrophe, so we read it as this, a kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. After we put the apostrophe, we read it as this, a kingfisher.